Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Let's get started with calendar. Me first. The month is October. Good job. I see that today is October 5th. It is the 5th day of October. I see that we have DeAndre's birthday coming up this week, and we also have Chloe and Jason's birthday coming up this week. Also, I am moving this because I moved map testing to here. So this is just a friendly reminder that we will have map testing tomorrow, which means no groups tomorrow, okay? All right, let's keep going. We need to write the date. It's October 5th. I know that October is the 10th month. It is the 5th day of October, 2020. And now I'm going to change it into word form. October 5th, 2020. I know that today is Monday. So if today is Monday, I'll hop backwards to yesterday. And yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday, and today is Monday, then tomorrow will be Tuesday. Last time we were together, we had been at school for 15 days. If I was at 15 and I add one more, I know that one group of 10 and 6 ones make 16. Alright, now let's figure out how to make 16 cents. There are a few different ways you can make it. Why don't you take a minute and talk to somebody about how you could make 16 cents? I'm picturing a dime is 10. A nickel is 5. Well, I know 10 and 5 make 15. If I add one more, that is 16 cents. I have added new words. Remember, these are words that you are expected to know. Here we go. Buy. Also. Try. Would. Put. Very. We are counting by tens today. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Great job today.